Fred Achee, and the one who say we are see. In the pedi who hiano. When was the last time I who say you can't sell to nipa so? You may nipa be you know huano. It to me threatening nipa di nipa courts. It to me see nipa or courts. Ransford Osei, onya kwalao. You guys were dealing with these guys when they were 17 years, 16 years, 20 years. But today, that guy is a man. He can speak for himself. You are asking for receipts. I treasure or the scammer, the evidence. Bro, are you serious? We live in Ghana. Yet Ghana. Na Ghana obi call police crana just so to bribe. Obi call fire service crana just so to bribe. Obi call welder crana just so to bribe. Obi call migration just so to bribe. Obi call nursing training college just so to bribe and sani afano. Obi call teachers training college just so to bribe and sani afano. Even universities sometimes you have to pay bribe. Where we school area no or national service in power person will call you cry just so to bribe. Where we are national service ne say o person wo tsena adwuma ni mu kra na just so to bribe. Are you serious? You are calling for evidence. Hey, brah. Do you want people to come out? Unim how depressed am I course players nibi. Unim players nibi how am chow my career so. What chow my career so say 10 because of this bribe. Bro, are we not Ghanaians? Don't we have friends? Don't we have colleagues who are friends to you? Or who they are your friends? Who you talk to, you communicate, you mingle, you link up to? What are you talking about? Do you want the players to come out? Do you think Ransford Osei is the only victim? Do you want these players who are depressed and frustrated, who has fucked up their lives, to come out? And to come out to speak? When you go when you go some and that's when you players at Obi only nama brochure echo sign a contract I would that hotel room or nowhere Pia Bonti or catch us say no be only now na wo chile or no so then what are you talking about? No ya kwalana o ka say na ma mi po ka say no sika na de man po ahwa won fa nko no na say bio onko board bi ansa no wo say no cry no walk na. Are you serious? You have the guts to sit on radio. You have the guts to sit on your office to write this nonsense out there to claim say Omla me prove so ma wuska. Are you serious? When you guys were sitting on your radio discussion 3 good years, rubbishing, disgracing, becoming an impediment of one management for Asante Kotoko, Nane Amponsano, did we ask you for receipt? Or to make offer a whole contractor, football administration assign at the back public ebeking kind, you be a receipt. What's now radio? It did Nane Amponsatem to make us say board member or bar at an impasso. Now we a CCTV camera. Now and we'll be beside receipts. And what we say we didn't who here. What we say we didn't a who here. What about out? Every pay receipts. When you was na yeni Kotoko for na ye pay. And you tell you move no. See a best support to coach Ogumu pa. This you. Because what you guys did to us, what you guys sat on your radio to do to Asante Kotoko last year, last 2 years, last 3 years. I mentioned to me and release a statement. Board chairman went to me and release a statement. None of the board members were able to come out to release a statement about how you guys were dragging the club. We stood behind the management and the club for 3 good years. Today you are looking for receipts. Board members were able to come out to release a statement about how you guys were dragging the club. We stood behind the management and the club for 3 good years. Today you are looking for receipts. Aya mo fi say sebio ye be yan kwala da o. Aya mo fi say people will be timid. Aya mo fi say ye be kan kwofo anu atum da o. Now have you forgotten that you are growing with us? Have you forgotten that you are getting old with us? Have you forgotten that we started together and we are going to end this together? You've not seen anything yet. I'm telling you. You've not seen anything yet. I said, boy, no one yes, she cry, you bet to me bodria. Kosua, snap, brabe you one. Before you know, school right now, Ransford Osei and Kwana, what the ayano. What the young call for, but they cannot come out. We are bay for. We are bay for. What's radio so cassa by heart? Only Jola Canum. Movies are more. Obia benyane dia bako. But I said the storm is coming and it will drag you guys. It will drag you guys. The storm was coming. The storm and eba drag you obia one. You've not seen anything. Na ne aponsa nyame no obedi machi da mo. Ade amodi ye Kotoko. Ene obi di bi be ye ora wo kofa letter ba out. Unyantro letter. So we put the type with the pen and the ink in a betro a good paper so now the aba. You until you guys apologize to Nana Ofori and apologize to Asante Kotoko supporters. Mobe brebuta. You've not seen anything yet. Send you some of us we are suffering. Deep down in us, no Masani IMC ni coach na kwaye bako and then when I'm broadcasting Kotoko information. Where were you guys when I was in office? Where were you guys when the thing was hey Mami and cancel move now we will come again. You will hold this space on you, on your head. You will see.